Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a quick flip through video of the July monthly planner. I'm just going to go over everything that's included so you can take a quick peek inside and get an idea about what the monthly planner is all about. So our monthly planner is a subscription. You can get that where you'll get a new planner every single month, and it's just the pages you need for that month. And we do include pages so that you can plan ahead, things like that. But the idea behind it is that you get a whole new layout, a whole new design every single month to keep things fresh. So let's just go ahead and jump right in, and you can take a peek at what's inside the July version. So every month has a theme. This month's theme is adventure. So there's a couple different pages that are all about adding a little bit more adventure to your life and cultivating that aspect of your lifestyle. The first page you're going to see when you open up your planner is a cover page, and that shows up on your main screen. So it looks all nice and clean when you open up GoodNotes or Note Shelf or whatever you're using. The next page you're going to see our dashboard. This has links to everything in the planner for quick access. So you have every single page is listed under this content section. The planner, if you click on it, will actually open up the planner. And then you have a note section and a to-do section inside this planner so you can keep everything nice and organized. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the planner and open it up. So you'll see a note from the editor, which is just kind of a quick note from me about why I chose this theme for this month and what it's all about. And then you'll see on the next page a bunch of information about the theme, kind of diving into what it's about, what you're trying to do with it, things like that. And there's a few exercises, things you can fill out. This changes every month, so there's a new theme every single month. And so you can take a peek at that. And then the next page is actually 2020 at a glance, which is just this entire year at a glance. If you need to quickly find out what day something falls on, what day of the week it falls on, something like that, you can find it here. All of the tabs over on the right and the top and the left are all hyperlinked, so you can jump around the planner really easily. So you see over on the side there's tabs for every single week within this month, which is super easy to find what you're looking for. The next page is the future log. This is where you would keep track of everything that's upcoming. So when I get a new planner, I just go through and copy and paste everything over into the next month, and then take whatever was for that month, so for July, and add it to my month at a glance page, which is on the next page. So this way you can keep track of things that are happening over the next 8 months, so you don't feel like you're going to lose track of dates in the future. The next page is the monthly spread. The idea behind this planner is that it's already pre-decorated for you, and the design behind it changes every month, so it keeps it fresh. So this month we picked kind of this fun jungly theme, but next month it'll be a totally different look. But you don't have to feel like you need to go in and decorate this. So you can get it as is and then just add your own style to it with the sticker kits that are included, and I'll go over those in just a moment. So this is the July monthly page. Then next, you'll find the June reflection page. This is where you can kind of write down what you want to work towards for the following month. This is all about goal setting and building up your lifestyle to what you want it to be. And then there's a little quote about finding adventures over there on the side. And then this is your life evaluation page. Again, it's the same idea as the last page. You're figuring out what you want to focus on. And then you'll set some goals with this big goal kind of vision board that we have here. And then the next page, you can break those down and schedule them out. So you can say, I want to work on this goal this month, or this portion of this goal this month, and you can keep a running log of how you're reaching your goals. The next page is different every single month. So for this month, we have a 30-day adventure challenge. This is usually some kind of challenge about whatever the theme is, or geared towards whatever the theme is for that month. So this month, it's an adventure challenge where you write down a new adventure, a new thing you did every single day to push yourself outside of your comfort zone, because that's kind of what the adventure theme is about, is pushing yourself outside your comfort zone. And then the following page, you have a coloring page over on the side, and then a sleep log where you can keep track of your sleep. I like to keep track of my sleep here, and then on the following page, I keep track of my moods on the mood tracker, and that makes it so I can see how much my sleep is affecting my mood and see kind of trends, and that way you can kind of get an idea of what you need to work on and how to live a more positive life. And then you have your habit tracker as well. And then your July bucket list, we actually have a sticker that we've already pre-filled out that you can add here if you don't want to come up with your own, or you can create your own of things you want to get done or accomplish or fun. I like to use it for fun things I want to do with my family during that month. And then I also have the running to-do list for July. And then this is where you get into your weekly spreads. So this is the week 1 for July, and every month these spreads change. So you kind of get to collect spreads with this subscription. You don't have to buy the planner as a subscription. You can buy just 1 month if you want, but with a subscription, the idea is that you can collect these different layouts and decide which one you want to use, because you can go back in and paste over these with a different layout from last month if you don't like this month's layout. That's kind of the idea. So this is the one for July. And then you also have a meal planner, and so you have 3 pages for every single week. You have the weekly spread, the meal planner, and then you have a notes page. And those are all under the same tab, and then it'll start over again. So this is week 2, meal planner, notes. So I'm going to go ahead and skip down to the very bottom and hit notes. So this is just your notes section. You can duplicate this page as many times as you need to keep track of your notes for the month. And then you also have, if you go back to home, you also have a to-do list, and you have 3 customizable tabs at the top that are just blank for you to use for if you want to insert a financial planner tab or something like that. You can do that in one of these tabs. So that's the planner. Then the next thing I wanted to go through is these sticker kits. So you get 3 sticker kits. You actually get 4 sticker kits with every single planner, every single monthly planner, and they all coordinate and go with the planner. So you really have a lot of options to completely change up your spread without having to buy anything else for the entire month. So with this one, this is the standard kit. All of these stickers are pre-cropped for GoodNotes, or you also get the individual ping files if you don't use GoodNotes, so you can make this work for whatever application you're using. So this is the standard kit that comes with it. This is the bullet journal kit. And this is the monthly kit that comes with it. And then last, you also get what we call an exclusive kit, which this is a sticker kit you can only get with the July planner. It comes with some extra deco as well as that bucket list sticker and like a couple just functional stickers. And then you also get the inserts if you want to use them on future months or in a different planner or however you want to use them. You do get the individual inserts as well. So that is everything that's included in the July planner. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else about these planners for future flip throughs. I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you found it useful, and I will see you next time.